Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve sorry service not available problem on Android phone or Samsung phone. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, scroll down, click on phone app, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or airplane mode on your Android phone. Now go to phone app, problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.